What's up guys? So what are the top 3 websites to make an income online? And first let me tell you that at the end of this video most of you guys will hate me because I'm such a great person. No, I'm joking. But I'm gonna break some dreams, but at the other hand I'm gonna create some dreams, I bet you guys. Because first we have to understand the difference when we want to make money online between slavery and freedom. Slavery, which is what most people will actually choose online, and it's like the dumbest fucking thing people could do, because now online you can automate everything. And the reason for this is because we have computer, we have algorithm, we have stuff that can do stuff for you. I'm making my living online by being a fitness coach, but all that I do is I make videos, I respond to my clients' emails, and that's it. That's how I make my living, guys. But the most of my money comes from the PDF and the courses that I'm selling. And I'm selling them completely in automatic. I don't need to sell them, I don't need to create them, I don't need to do whatever. It's all in there, it's all built, it's all automatic. So I don't need to work on this. And this is why I'm in here. I'm in the freedom part. Most people will go for the slavery part. Most people will choose to exchange money for time. Most people will sell their own life for money. That really sucks, because this might feel safer short term. Like, you know that if you're working 10 hours, you will get 1,000 bucks. So it feels safer, right? It feels safer. But is it really? When you are exchanging your time for money, is that creating a life that you enjoy? Is that creating a life that you would want to live for the next 100 years? Well, probably not if you're into slavery. If you're into freedom, you'd be like, fucking A. But if you're into slavery, you'd be like, fuck no, I'm not doing that shit for 100 more years. I'd rather go to get my pension than die. Do you feel like when you will be like old enough to get your pension, do you feel like you will still be able to enjoy life like you could do now? Do you feel like you would still be able to travel the world, to go meet other people, to do whatever you've always wanted to do? Are you ready to wait for like 10, 20, 30, 50, 40 years to get there? I'm fucking not, and I'm not gonna wait there because I'm taking that road. I'm taking the road where I automate stuff, meaning that I can do something and have a way bigger impact because I'm automating stuff, alright? But you want to know how to make money with websites, so let's talk about this stuff, how you can make money. I'm looking for my shit to raise my board. So let's talk about how you can make money out of a website. And the first thing to understand when you're making money with a website is that if you're exchanging your time for money, you're into slavery, for sure. You're selling your life for money, which is not the greatest thing. But when you are making money with a website, for example, let's say you're taking surveys for someone, or you are answering app work, all that stuff. When doing this, it's very, very, very risky, guys. And the reason why it's very risky is because those people might fire you at any point in time. Because what you are doing is not adding a bunch of value to that business. If you're just an employee working there like 10 bucks per hour because that's a freelance work, you will get fired. Your ass will get fired so often you cannot fathom. Because that website, if it goes down, you're fucked. If they fire you, you're fucked. Because you have one source. When you are online, you can create a bunch of sources, income streams. And you don't even have to work for them because they can be passive, they can be automated. Now it's like having a house. You have your house. When you are working for a website, it's like you have one pillar right there. And if that pillar gets taken down, or if that pillar is like, well, fuck that house, well, your house is going to be like, pfft. And if your house does this, you need to go find another job out there. I wouldn't want to do that. I wouldn't want to do that. Now that we know that we should not rely on any websites, what are the top 3 to make money online? And I will show you in this very own video how you can make that money, alright? So hang tight and don't hate me too much, alright? I'm gonna tell you the truth, guys. So the best website you can make money on is YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. I know you're gonna be like, but I'm already on there, I'm not making money. Well, that's a great thing, guys. You're already on there, but you're not making money. Meaning you don't need to learn anything fucking else. You just need to use those platforms. Quite simple. Now let me tell you why those 3 websites are the best of the best to make money online. First thing, when you work for a single website, you are working for one person. When you work on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you actually create, and when I say working on them, it's not what you think. When you work on those things, you can actually use the algorithm. They have algorithm on those things that will enable you to reach so much people. And that's when you have the attention, which is powered by this algorithm. When you have the attention of a lot of people, that's when you make the money. That's when you make income online. Like for example, you have that website. That website is paying you $10 per hour to answer surveys, for example. Well, let's say you have not the attention of that business because you're just an employee, you're just like a freelancer, and they are not giving you attention. If you don't have the attention of that business, you will get fired, because that's how it works. If you're just doing your work like in your own corner, you're not gonna prosper. You're not gonna be into the freedom. You're gonna be into the slavery shit. We don't want something like this. We want to be able to reach a lot of people, because when you have the attention of a lot of people, you can make a lot of money. And if you have automated everything, just like I'm gonna show you in this video, you don't need to work anymore. You don't really need to work. But now, how do you use that stuff and how do you go about making that money? Let me ask you guys something. What is it that you love? What is it that if you didn't need money, if you didn't need to make money, if you didn't need to be a slave and like a modern age slave and sell your time, sell your life for money, if you didn't need the money, what would you do? And most guys, most girls, most people will just tell you, I'll be like fucking chilling in my bed watching Netflix all day long. And that's true, guys. But how long have you been chilling watching Netflix? How long? How many days in a row? Some people it's like 2 weeks, others like 4 weeks. I've been doing that shit for 5 months. And I did that because, just like I told you, I managed to automate everything that I was doing so I didn't need to work anymore. And what happened is that I got lazy and I wanted to stay in my bed and do nothing. I watched Netflix, I watched YouTube videos, and I did not do anything. I was eating all day, got really fat. I'm a fitness coach, so that was really fun. And I just got fat and I didn't do anything for 5 months. 5 months doing nothing. And believe me, if you do that for a couple days, for a couple weeks, it's cool. But when you do that for 5 months, you get depressed. And you start to wonder, why am I living right here? Because I'm just like this potato, just like living through the day. When you get home and you just want to sit down and watch TV, it's because you've been so traumatized during the day, because you're a slave. You're doing shit you don't want to do. It's fucking normal that you go home and you're like, fuck, I'm dying. It's completely okay, man. I mean, come on. If I were doing their jobs, if I had to wake up at 6 in the morning every day, I wake up at 11. If I had to wake up at 6 in the morning, dress up. I'm always dressing up with my bathrobe and I'm my underwear. I'm not dressed and don't make stuff. And if I had to dress up and take the train, take the car, go there, sit there from that time to that time, just like someone told me, you have to sit your ass from that time to that time. I don't care if you've done working, you sit there from that time to that time. You're paid to be there at that moment and to leave there at that moment. If I had this, I would kill people. Well, I would not kill people, but I would get insane. I would get really mad. And if I had to do that and I would come home with no hope of a better future, better believe, I would probably have killed myself already. So when people get home and they just like, fuck, I just want to watch TV, they think that they just want to watch TV all day. But that's because you're doing something you don't love. I'm working a lot right now. I'm doing videos, I'm doing articles and all that shit because I love doing that. That's how I live. That's what I love. I love doing internet marketing. I love doing my fitness thing. I would go to the gym anyway. So why don't I take my camera and record myself training? I would watch videos about internet marketing anyway, so why don't I comment on them to make my YouTube channel more popular? I'm part of those fitness group, those internet marketing group anyway, so why wouldn't I answer people on there? Like, I'm only doing the stuff that I love. I'm not doing stuff that I don't want to do, because if I don't want to do them, I don't do them. That's part of my shit, guys. So find something that you love. It can be anything. It can be gardening, it can be fishing, it can be drawing, it can be I don't know, whatever you want. Like, it can really be anything. It can be clothes, it can be making videos, it can be playing Overwatch. I have a friend who is making money with Overwatch. You can make money with anything, guys. You can make money playing football, you can make money playing tennis, you can make money with anything. All you need to do is just to create content. That's all you need to do, guys. So what is content? Well, this video is content. An article is content. A photo on Instagram is content. A post on Facebook is content. That's all you need to do. You create content around something that you love. And why do you create content around something that you love? So that you build your audience. You build your audience and you create your audience. Why do you need that audience? Why do you need to create an audience? Well, it's simple. How do you make money online? Well, people give you money. And when do people give you money? When they trust you, when they bond with you, when they engage with you. For example, some of you guys, you'll see me and you're like, all right, this dude, he has a weird accent. It's like kind of retarded. He dressed in the bathrobes. Like he doesn't look really smart. So if that guy can do it, I can as well. And that motivates you, and so you start watching my videos. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, if you actually like that I'm retarded, or if you like other attributes about my content. Please subscribe. And you guys see that and you're like, wow, I like this. It makes me feel good. So I'm gonna keep watching that dude. And when someone makes a decision like this about you, about the content you provide, and it can be videos. If you don't want to be on YouTube, you don't have to. It can be a post on Facebook. It can be a photos on Instagram. Basically, you produce content around what you love, and people will start to see this and connect with your content. Once they start to connect with your content, you build trust with them, meaning they see you as someone who is doing the stuff that they love, someone who is reliable. As humans, guys, we have to see each other to really trust each other, so videos is great, but content in general is going to be great as well. So when they engage with you, when they start to trust you, to follow you, and you don't need to create great content. Just look at this video, guys. I'm like wearing bathrobe, you can see my hair chest. My hair is not done. Like the light here is not great. I'm like, it's basement, and it's not like the best quality picture, the best quality videos. So you don't need really the best stuff. The audio is not great either. You don't need the best stuff, guys. You just need to create content around something that you love. Alright, guys, this video is getting long, so I will put the next part of that video tomorrow. So in next video, we will see how you can monetize that audience, how you can use it to make income online, and you'll see it's really not that hard, guys. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell button so you can get notified of the next video that will come out tomorrow around the same time as today. So make sure you subscribe, guys, because the magic will keep happening. I don't know if I can refer to what I'm saying magical, but like maybe in a retarded way it's magic. I don't really know. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like the video so I know that you guys like this kind of content. And yeah, if you like it, I will keep making it. If you don't like it, I will try to find stuff you will like. It's gonna be really fun for all of us, right? So yes, guys, I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Peace out.